Vice Mayor Kaplan is up next if she's here.
Good afternoon, Commissioners. Thank you so much for all of your work on this important issue. My name is Rebecca Kaplan. I'm Vice Mayor of the City of Oakland and also co-author of an Oakland City Council resolution which passed unanimously, which calls for the freeing up of the planner funds immediately and the launch of a coherent and inclusive process to work toward a potential merger or other consolidation options. I want to thank you, Chair Cortese, for your work, as well as Commissioners Campos and Pierce for bringing together the different people involved to come up with the compromise that is before us today. I believe it does very much of what we are advocating. I also wanted to share a note of hope. I know people have talked about how difficult a merger can be and have talked about past failures. And I want to share that I was part of a past success. Right here in Alameda County, where we sit today, we had multiple separate transportation bodies, one that controlled funding, one that controlled planning and project implementation. And we had a special subcommittee that merged them. And that merger has been incredibly successful. The merged agency has received a AAA bond rating. The merged agency has received the support of all the cities and transit agencies and the county itself in moving forward important plans. And so I share that because I want you to know that it can be done, and it can be done in a way that is inclusive and transparent, and that yields an agency with both governance and projects that people support. Our region has important problems to tackle that we can't afford to have be undermined by regional strife. We have a huge and growing problem of jobs, housing balance, and lack of affordable housing. We have transit systems that are at capacity and in desperate need of help and alleviation. We obviously have a freight plan that has to be completed, rail systems that have to be connected to each other, and I would encourage that we not allow any bad faith efforts to undermine this effect, but rather to work closely together, collaboratively, toward a merger that will be truly serving the entire Bay Area. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being here, Vice Mayor. Joyce Roy, David Schoenbrunn, Steve Lowe.